In module number 7 of the Perth Fitness Industry Professional Development Weekend, we'll be talking about building systems and business operations for fitness professionals. We'll talk about how to create automation and consistency in all levels of your service, from your interactions with your clients on a day-to-day basis to long-term business success. We explore how and where to build systems to easily replicate high results across all areas of your service and all areas of your business. The Perth Fitness Industry Professional Development Weekend is being held in September 2018. This is open to all Perth health and fitness professionals, trainers and coaches. This is going to be an intensive, information-dense learning weekend, and it'll leave you with an incredible depth and breadth of knowledge and hundreds of practical applications in the fields of exercise, of fitness, and the business of being a fitness professional. So invest in yourself, invest in your business, and supercharge your personal, your professional, and your business development. We'll take your value and your expertise to a whole new level. For more details or to secure your ticket, visit rangeofmotion.net.au/fitness industry PD 2018. I hope to see you there.